Hey friends, if you wish to clear Windows Defender threat protection history on a computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. If you go to protection history, you will see that you have the options here. I mean, it shows the difficulty, but it doesn't give you an option to remove this protection history. However, there's a very easy method for it. Search for disk management in the Windows search bar, disk cleanup. Go to disk cleanup, select C drive, check all of the boxes here, and I always keep on doing it even if I don't need it, and click on OK and delete files. Okay, so it will clear all the files including the ones associated with Windows Defender threat protection history. Okay, and after this you can return to the same page and select cleanup system threads, and select OK, and it will start deleting everything else as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.